Okay, let us start the class. In today's class in Python, we will try to understand how to check given string is palindrome. Okay, string is palindrome. Palindrome means if string reads from back to front to back to front, so same. Okay, if a string is there, if it is reading from left to right and right to left, both are equal, that is called palindrome. So first create a palindrome. First of all, create a variable. So name is equal to, I am using input function here. Input function, put a string type of data here, single quote or double quotation marks, doesn't matter. Please enter a string. Okay, now is variable declared. So input function used to take user input. Okay, here I will use the for loop here. For I in name. Okay, I in name. Next print I. Okay, end operator. If I want to get the output horizontally, next name is equal to name dot lower. Why? Because suppose if user passes uppercase letter, they will be converted into lowercase. Okay, if user input is uppercase, that will be converted into lowercase. Okay, name is a string, so string has the method. That method I have used that. So string method to convert that uppercase letter into lowercase letters. Okay, next print name. Now come down. Now take a okay. Now if I compile this, the output is called output. Here whenever I have compiled this, it is requested for user is being requested to enter a string. So here I have passed Vasu capital letters. Now enter these capital letters converted by this lower method of string as small Vasu. Okay, you have passed capital letters converted into small case letters. Now we need to check back that whether it is a palindrome or not. So now if suppose school is what? School is a string, so it holds string type of data. If I have taken one more string, I have taken. Okay, this here I am requesting the user to enter a string. So here manually I have to put a string here that is stored in school variable. Now I am using if shell statement. If name, okay, name, I am using the index here, index, okay, index 0, index 0 means first index, is equal to name, again index, okay, minus 1, minus 1. So what do you mean of this? This is the first index, 0 index. So minus 1 means last index. Okay. Next, end name, again except this one. Here name 1. Name 1 means this second index, 1 index, equal to last minus 1. So always the starting index counted as from 0 to 0, 1, 2, 3. From here index will be counted as minus 1, minus 2, like that. Okay. End operator I am using end operator I am using here. So three conditions by using of the end operator. Name second index equal to minus 3. Okay. So now colon, it is terminated with the colon. Now you request for print. That print must be under if black. Okay. Print function. Yes, it is palindrome. Okay. Else print yes, it is not palindrome. No, it is palindrome. No, it is not palindrome. Okay. So now you compile this code. What happened? Enter a string madam. Enter. It is not palindrome, but madam is palindrome. MADAM, madam is a, because if you read from front to back, MADAM, it is palindrome, but you are getting it is not palindrome. It is to be checked. Why? Okay. Now this is okay. If I pass refer is a, okay. Now refer converted into small refer, and it is palindrome, because if it is read from left to right and right to left, it is palindrome. Okay. One more time. Madam is a palindrome, because if I call from read it from left to right and right to left, madam. Enter. Okay. Madam. CLS, clear screen, compile this one, you pass madam, enter. The term madam is not recognized. Why it is not recognized? Because you have kept the R here. Okay, now compile this one, code,